In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and navigate your Wix dashboard and editor. First, open your browser and head to wix.com. In the top right corner, click Log In. Sign in using the method you originally used when creating your account, email and password, or a connected Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Once you're in, you'll arrive at your Wix home screen, often called your account dashboard. If your account has only one website, Wix may take you straight into that site's dashboard. Think of this dashboard as your central control panel. From here, you can see key statistics and analytics, manage your homepage and catalog, set up events, adjust settings, and configure payment methods. It's the place where you keep the business side of your website organized and running smoothly. If you manage multiple sites, you'll first see a list of all your websites instead of a single dashboard. Find the site you want to work on and click Select Site or a similarly labeled button. Wix will then open that specific site's dashboard, giving you full access to its tools and settings. When you're ready to make design changes, look to the top right of the dashboard and click Edit Site. This opens the Wix editor. Inside the editor, you can update pages, add elements like text, images, and buttons, and customize layouts to match your brand. Take your time here. This is where your site's look and feel really come together. If you need to return to the dashboard while you're in the editor, hover your mouse over the Wix logo in the top left corner. A small menu appears. Click Go to Dashboard, and you'll be taken back to the site's dashboard without leaving your project. This is handy when you want to quickly check analytics or adjust a setting before jumping back into design work. To switch to a different site's dashboard at any time, look at the top of any site dashboard and click the website name. A list of all your Wix sites will appear. Click another website, and Wix will open that site's dashboard for you. This makes moving between projects quick and seamless. Before we wrap up, remember your Wix dashboard is where you manage analytics, settings, payments, and all your essential site tools. From the dashboard, you can jump into Edit Site to make changes or use View Site to look at your live website as visitors see it. Once you know where these links are, switching between sites and moving between the editor and the dashboard becomes second nature. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.